Hey guys, welcome to the channel GBF. This is my second video on this. So basically what I built today is the transponder snail from the anime One Piece. So basically the inspiration for making this video was the Rasengan from the channel Insufficiently Advanced. So I've come up with this version, and initially what I had planned was to get a replica of the transponder snail online and then put all the electronics inside it, but it wasn't easily available online, and it was very expensive. So that was one of the reasons I did not get it. That is one of the reasons for the shabby architecture. So let me just show you how this works right now. I'll press the call button, and as you can hear the transponder snail sound right now. I'll get a call any moment on my mobile right now. So I got it, and when I receive, you can actually hear that cut-chuck sound, which is actually one of the major characteristics of the transponder snail. So one of the best things about my version of the transponder snail is that you can actually hear the other person talking on the phone. In the sense, I've actually connected a few speakers over here. So that is one of the major features, and let me just show you how this works. I've got one of my friends to talk over the phone right now. So the thing is, I've got one of my friends to talk over the phone in the other room right now. The thing is, I've just told him to speak so that you can actually hear it on my transponder snail right now. The thing is, it's not audible very loudly because I haven't used the transistor to amplify the sound over here. So let me just get the camera closer. So as you heard, it is possible to hear the other person on the phone right now. I have plans for taking it to the next level, in the sense I plan on using a few transistors to amplify the sound. It worked properly for the actual transponder snail song. So I think it would be it would equally work in case of the communication thing also. So I've even made sure that it can receive calls. So let me just show you one moment. Okay, now I'll just call up the transponder snail from my mobile right now, and as I said, since it's duplex communication, it works both ways. So you can probably hear the sound of the transponder snail right now. So basically, when I press the receive button over here, just a minute, you can hear the kachak sound also. So, and as you can see, the call has got activated right now. So it works like a proper phone also. And by the way, the entire project is wireless. In the sense, you can actually take it outside and use it as a normal phone. Now I'll just disconnect it. And as you can see, the call got cut. So this is an actual replica of a transponder snail which can be used in real life. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section your opinions and views about this project. Also let me know how this can be done more efficiently, whether it's associated with the electronics or the architectural build of the transponder snail as a whole. Also let me know if you'd be interested in trying this out for yourself. I'll definitely share the code online. Also let me know if you'd want to buy one of these. I have no ideas of selling it online as of now, but definitely if you guys want it, I'll try to do something online. So please like, subscribe and share the video, guys. Thanks for watching once again.